A St. Elizabeth man is dead after he was electrocuted while doing roofing repairs in Savannah-Lamar, Westmoreland on Saturday. He has been identified as Raymond Shepherd and is said to be in his early 30s. Reports are that the young man was passing a piece of board to his colleague who was on top of the roof when tragedy struck. The incident happened after a period of heavy rainfall. TVJ News spoke with Ian Chambers, who witnessed the ordeal.
Young youth are work today, you know. They cut on one roof. So they might drop the lumber them and one of them accidentally touch the light wire. Boy, it rough. Accidentally touch it and you know high tension current go already. Touch it, run through his body. Eventually, he passed away, you know?
The incident has left him in shock. Mr. Chambers said he and Mr. Shepherd have been fixing roofs since the passage of Hurricane Melissa.
Now, me and the man dropping now, man. Right now, my heart not feel good. I swear. My heart not feel good, man. We are cut on the raft of them and I tell him, say, pass up couple more 2B6 give me. Pass up couple more 2B6 give me. But I don't know what wrong with that one the way I pass up. Because I come up good enough and I go below the wire, you know. But I don't know if I have one day carry him up and then him carry it up.
Was it rain at the time?
No. The rain had stopped. It rained before, but it had stopped. So the lumber them get kind of look moisture. It's a bitter pill to swallow. You know, it's a bitter pill to swallow, man. Been around me for a while now. Know him for a while. It's stressing. That take a toll upon me right now. I know my brother, but I'm a brother from another mother.